Friends, today we will study class 7th geography, chapter number 7, human environment, settlement, transport and communication. So in previous topic we have discussed about transport, and in transport we have discussed about means of transport, roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Okay, so today we will discuss about communication. As you know that with the help of scientific discoveries, our communication skill is developed, and now we can communicate to other people fastly. So around the world we can do communication easily nowadays, but earlier, means in olden days, it was not possible. The people were transferring their messages face to face. You can see in figure. So later our messages were transferred one people to another. Then the people used any birds, okay, like pigeon or a parrot, okay, and then postman. Postman. Postman was uh, means postmen were sending the letters to other people, and it was reaching, means they were reaching to the people door to door, and they were giving letters. So letter box I have made here, that the people were posted the letters, and then it was reaching to the persons. Then news was reaching to other person through newspaper, then TV, computer, and nowadays mobiles. So we can say that communication skills are developed now with the help of scientific discoveries. So we must understand here communication is the process of conveying messages to others. Always remember, communication is the process of conveying messages to others, and with the help of the technology, its development is at the high scale, and humans have devised new and fast mode of communications. So the advancement in the field of communication has brought about the an information revolution, and so that at the world level this revolution has brought great changes. So different modes of communications are used to provide information, to educate us, us, as well as to entertain. So it is used to entertain us, and through the newspaper, radio and television we can communicate with a large number of people at a time. So they are therefore called mass media. So always remember, newspaper, television, okay, and radios, radios radios are called mass media because it is conveying messages to other, and informations are sent here. So the satellites have made communication even faster, and satellites have helped in oil exploration, survey of forest, underground water, mineral wealth, and weather forecasting, and also disaster warning. So this became possible with the help of satellites. Now we can send electronic mails, that is called emails, through internet, and wireless telephonic communications through cellular phones, mobile phones. So it has become very popular today, and internet not only provides us with worldwide information and interaction, but has also made our lives more comfortable. So with the help of internet we are enjoying, we are entertaining us, and also we are communicating to other people. So it became easy it became easy to communicate. And now we can reserve tickets for railways, airways, or even cinemas and hotels sitting at home. So and we can do payments also through Paytm. So with this kind of connectivity of people and services and institutions across the world, we are connected. We are connected through this mode of communication. Means we are a large global society, and our communication skill has made a connection between among the people, that we can connect to other person who are living in any part of the world easily. So that was the communication, and now your chapter is over, and I will give you question answer. Thank you.